If you really wonder about how IMO deals with such big industry, then this video is for you. 5 important instruments which IMO uses to control such big industry and ensure smooth operations at sea. Number 1, conventions. Number 2, protocols. Number 3, amendments. Number 4, recommendations, codes and guidelines. Number 5, resolutions. A convention is a written agreement that apply to the shipping as rules and regulations. Conventions act as a treaty between the IMO and member states. Each convention has its background, mostly major accidental reason to come into force. Like the SOLAS was introduced based on the great loss of passenger carrier Titanic. A code is a technical detail of a convention, for example LSA and FFA code. Protocol is an important instrument used by the IMO to introduce changes to conventions. This is why a particular amendment using the protocols under a convention may come into force at a later stage. This is why we see a convention sometime named like this way, SOLAS 73-78. Here it means convention came into force in 73 and there were a protocol in 78 which came into force at a later stage. Recommended practices are like best practice guidelines. For example, timber deck cargo code is a recommended guidelines for specific type of cargo ship. Recommendations can also be guidelines which are waiting to be accepted by IMO. Codes can be either mandatory or non-mandatory. Codes such as ISM and IBC codes are mandatory and they are part of a parent convention or protocol. IMO resolutions are adopted by the key organs and committees of the organization. IMO committees like Marine Environmental Protection Committee, in short MEPC, and Marine Safety Committee, MSC, are very common example from where many resolutions have been came into existence. Please subscribe and stay connected with Sailor 360.